How's it going, everybody? I'm pretty sure we all had one of those bad days where it just wasn't going out for us. Well, this was one of those days for me. This is just a bad day for me playing airsoft. But you know what? Just because we had one bad day doesn't mean we can give up. We gotta keep on trying, keep on pushing, and always try to enjoy yourself and try to have fun. So enjoy this video.
Oh, damn it!
Pardon why if I sound a bit intoxicated, indoctrinated in my ways like it was calculated. Strife and anguish are my only friends. So my demons pull up in a brand new Mercedes Benz. Life's a trend, all we ever had was stories. We be caroling away while the rich go bask in glory. Occupied and feeble-minded by design and simple-minded. With the herd we drink the Kool-Aid.
I heard. Dude, you got me 3 times. I was like, I hate this map. Oh, I need to find this one.
Now he's popping like prescriptions. Now the man is risen. 3 days after getting lifted with the spirits. Floating through these days. Talking about some tidbits. Fiddling with papers that he'll never take a hit with. Only stick to trip because the fall his favorite season. Staring at the leaves as he crumbles for no reason. Struggling with treason, feels betrayed by his demons. Searching for life's meaning, so he dove into the deep end. Life without your friends ain't a life that's worth $1. Life about the trends only turns you to the product. Life can be a life if you caught up in the drama. And I ain't really living, so I cannot solve these problems. I am not a genius, I am not a person. I do not believe in miracles of certain
I saw it sticking out. Ah!
Tendencies and frequent needs. I am just a thought lost inside the sauce.
Fake! Ah, it's a bang! Ah!
Hardly seeing commas, I see emptiness instead. Coming up short ever since I was a kid. Committed to my flaws, none of which have been the best. Jack of all trades, never won the contest. Looking in the mirror, why am I so complex? Never made sense. Never made
Yeah, sweaty's got me fucked up. I ain't asked for this trip. Spinal tap the maniac, I'm higher than I've been in 24 years. Never thought I'd reach new heights. Down the rabbit hole, got me falling out the sky. Look at where I am, GPS couldn't tell me. Can't nobody reach my celly. Guess I'm dolo on this flight. Little bad man with the little top hat and the purple cat caught me slipping, it's a trap. Maybe Wonderland, but this feeling's unsaid. Close my eyes and feel the vibe. Guessing hell is where I'm at. Across the mattress, see a baddie backflip like she wanting my tip, cause she serving that dish. Meals be on wheels, put the pills in my lips. Quick moment silence, do you hear the silence? Coming real quick, yeah, they gotta pick me up, cause I've been overdosing on some special stuff.
Good trade. That was a good trade.
Yeah. Round 2, yeah, baby, round 2. I'm candy flipping like Halloween. I'm drinking brown too. Vivid memories, a pair of Islam jeans. I'm splitting at the seams, trying to mix like Kenny Beats. Wait, wrong person, I got the wrong person. I met Ali, I'm certain, said I got the wrong person. Thoughts to be disturbing, I've been stricken by the verbiage. Feel I've been deserted by my morals. Close the curtains, don't you thank me for my service. I'm just spreading like a sermon. Wavy like the seas, cooler than the breeze. Sunny like the beach, alpha, beta, gamma, freak. Smoking like I'm Cheech. Bitches ain't sheesh, tripping out in public, falling in the street. Clumsy, fergalicious, how
Why?
delicious, yes indeed. Call it what it is, I call it how I see. The world is wonderland, and I'm the rightful king.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you understand I'm not a professional at airsoft. Yes, I was in the Marine Corps for a little bit, but some of that stuff doesn't transition to airsoft. You know, you can walk away from a BB, but sometimes you can't walk away from a bullet. So a little bit more cautious while I'm in the Marine Corps. But in airsoft, you know, I'm not, because I can run around and get shot and it's fine. I walk it off, you know, just a little scab or something. But I always try to have fun. I always try to have a great time. Just because one day is not the best day doesn't mean I can give up.
He's over there. He's over there.
Give up, all right? You know, so get out there, load up those magazines with those BBs, go out there with some friends, start shooting some people. Have a great time. And also, guys, if you like the music, it's from my boy Jerr. He's still serving in the Marine Corps right now, and I think he just got done with one deployment. But y'all should go check out his music. It's on SoundCloud. His links are going to be in the description below. He just released an album too, so y'all should go check that out. Plus, this guy's the guy who gave me my card sign, Little Peso. So that's actually a funny story I may tell y'all later. So even though, and just because y'all have one bad day doesn't mean y'all can stop and give up.
That's both
you know?
of us.
Just get back out there, try it again, and think about what could have gone better, what could have been different. And I hope y'all enjoy it, and hopefully y'all learn something new. So I hope you like this video and get something out of it. And y'all have a good one. This is your boy Mark, aka Little Peso.